Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a Christmas candle. So here you can see that I'm using my pink pen to draw the Christmas candle. At the beginning, I'm drawing a cute circle and coloring it with pink. Now I'm using my brown pen. And I'm using my red pen. Wow, it's really colorful. Now I'm using my green pen to draw some lips. Now I'm using my light green pen. Now I'm using my yellow-green pen. Uh-oh, this is too light, so I'm using my green highlighter pen. Here's my light green pen again. For the lip vein, I'm using my green pen. Here's my light green pen again. Okay, now I'm using my red highlighter pen to draw the candle. Now I'm using my orange highlighter pen to draw another one. And now I'm using the same red highlighter pen again to draw the third candle. Now let's do the coloring. I'm using the same red highlighter pen again. In the middle, I'm using my orange highlighter pen. Now I'm using my brown pen. Now I'm using my orange pen. And here I'm using my red pen. For the fire, I'm using my orange pen. And here I'm using my orange highlighter pen. I'm using a tiny yellow colored pen. Wow, it's looking nice. Now I'm using my brown pen. Here's my orange pen. And finally, my red pen. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.